Hello, young girls! I'm here today to talk about something really special, tomboy style. This style is not only a choice of clothes, but also a way of understanding and expressing who you are. So what is this tomboy style and how do they dress? Let's have a look. Tomboy style does not only mean comfortable clothing, it also means being at peace with yourself. Minimal makeup and natural hairstyles are a way to emphasize natural beauty and find your inner strength. Clothing and accessories. Oversized jackets, comfortable loose-fitting shirts, and wide-leg trousers are generally preferred. Accessories such as leather wristbands and sporty watches are signature details. Makeup and hairstyle. Nude tones are generally preferred for makeup. A light accent on the eyes and a natural color for the lips is sufficient. A messy look is generally preferred for hair. Society and perception. People with this style sometimes receive positive reactions in society, and sometimes they are criticized. But this style is important for them because it represents their identity and the way they express themselves. In this video, we briefly examine the tomboy style. Tomboy style expresses freedom, acceptance, and courage. Everyone has their own style, and the important thing is to be able to express yourself. Feel free to share your style and experiences with me in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel if you like the video. Let me know which style you want me to review in the next video. And I can't end the video without saying this. Be the best version of yourself.